Hello everybody. So today we're gonna make string painting. It's something that I used to love to do at hospital with the inpatients because it's something very organic and abstract, and people would put in their walls and keep looking and find things differently. So I used to make materials first. Okay, we need string. Now I have wool. Now it's just 3 to 4 feet of string. Depends on material, I mean, more or less. A thick paper, like a stock card paper, and the ink. So the ink, I used to do with ink or watercolor, liquid watercolor, but now I kind of this guerrilla mode, COVID-19. So if you don't have those at home, what can we do? So today we're gonna do some ink with sugar and food coloring. If you don't have food coloring, you can use coffee or tea, green tea, or turmeric, something like that. But today we're gonna do those. I'm gonna actually make another video. We'll make a different project with coffee and turmeric, later on. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, first thing you do, you get your paper and you're gonna fold it, okay, half, okay. Oh, you need a thick book. We're gonna need a book at the end, okay. And if we're gonna do it, now we're gonna do the ink, okay. So I have one already made, and let me show you what it is. Bad me. So this is what we're gonna be doing. You see, and I can see like a ballerina's foot, or I can see so many things. I'm gonna show you this I made with watercolor painting. Like, oh no, they're crazy, and looks like eyes. It looks so many different things, So I'm gonna show you different things you can do with it, and just have fun, enjoy yourself. Okay, so I already had like kind of orange one that I made it, okay, and now we're gonna make another one just for you to see. So you need a hot water, okay. So I'm gonna put 1 big scoop. I'm not even gonna measure it just now, because I like to measure, because I like to cook. Okay, of sugar. That's it. Okay, and I want to do a blue color. Let's see if I have blue here. Ooh, I have it. Okay, so I'm gonna use blue. So I'm gonna put like 3 little, 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna put like tiny little I think actually it can be just half teaspoon, okay, of hot water, okay. And I'm gonna get a spoon, and I'm gonna just really, I just want to dissolve the sugar, but I don't want to make too much liquid, because I want this to dry fast on the paper. I want to look like paint, almost like a watercolor paint. So the hot water dissolves the sugar. Don't do it with cold water, okay? And so if you do cold water, put it in the microwave for 30 seconds afterwards. You're gonna see that it becomes really like the grain of the sugar doesn't go away. Just doesn't dissolve. Okay? Woo. Done. Okay, so now we're gonna do first one we're gonna do. The first print we're gonna do is with just 1 color. So we're gonna get the string like 3 feet. 1 foot, 2 foot, more or less. 3, can be a little more, okay? Done. I'm gonna cut here, and I'm gonna make a little knot here. Just that's the part, so I know that I'm not gonna put any paint on it, okay? So I'm gonna soak. See how you guys? I'm gonna soak my string. Now it's nice to make with gloves if you have gloves. I don't have gloves here, so, and I like to get dirty, okay? But it's kind of messy. But I have a paper here. Paper. Okay. So I'm gonna take it off the excess of the painting. Okay. Whoop. Okay. I'm gonna open my paper now. in front of me. And I'm gonna lay down in one half of the paper, I'm gonna lay down the string. Gonna make like a crazy, nothing, no. You can experiment, just experiment everything you want. More paper, okay. So I'm gonna close down. Let me just open so you guys can really see what we're making here. I'm gonna close down. Oh, here. And I'm gonna just put my hand on it. So that's the part that I most like to do the patients. We used to have a book, and I got a data book, and I'm gonna put the book, the paper closed inside the book, and I like to ask people to tell me a magical word. We're gonna say love today. Love. Okay, and now we're gonna pull the string out. You probably don't even put your hand on the side of the book, but I'm putting mine just to make sure. Okay, and we're gonna pull the string out, and I'm gonna open the book. And I don't even say, you guys gonna see the first one to see it. Da 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 da. Oh, this one got a little too messy, too much water. Okay, so what are we gonna do? We're gonna get another paper. Probably still have a lot of ink. Oh, see, have a lot of ink in this. So when that happens, because there's a lot of ink in the string, so just put again. Okay, you close the string. Okay, we're gonna put inside the book. And we're gonna say another magical word. Let's see. Hope. Hope. I'm gonna not even put my hand on the book now. I'm just gonna pull the string. Whoop. Let's see. I'm gonna open up. It's just a fun thing to do. And let's see what happens. Da 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 da. Oh, that's a little nicer, isn't it? Cool. That's really crazy one. I don't even know what I can see here. A person maybe? No, a hair, like a arm, I don't know. So I'm gonna put over here, and I'm gonna make another one because it still has ink in that thing. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna grab this orange one that I already made it, and I'm gonna put the string inside. Oops, because there's still ink in here. So I'm gonna make another version. I'm gonna mix it up the two colors. Cool, and I'm gonna just crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay, and that's gonna be like this. So let's see what happens. Okay, so now to make sure that I get all the ink, because not a lot of ink in there, I'm gonna really put my hand here. And, oh, not a magical word. Summer. Okay. Ooh, ooh. Got this. Yeah, great. Okay, let's see what happened now. Da 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 da. See, that is really cool. Isn't it cool? So now we're gonna do just one thing I used to love to do is get one string. I have this extra. First, gonna have to. My hands are really dirty right now. I'm gonna fold more paper. We don't have more paper, and I'm gonna pick one string. I'm gonna put two colors. We can